sounds like midnight snacks.
Dr. Manny, this is delicious!
I call it Manny's gorilla stew.
So how do you make a gorilla stew?
You keep it waiting for 2 hours.
Hey, guys. That smells good.
Hey, Flint, want to try some of this special stew? I saved you a bowl. It's killer!
Killer stew.
Gwen che do show continue to.
No!
Thank you, Brent.
Ever since that ghost man showed up, Flint Lockwood's been acting...
Jerky!
He rejected my stew. No one has ever rejected my stew.
I'm gonna go talk to him. Flint, wait up!
Yeah, Sam?
Is something wrong?
Yeah, we blew a fuse.
You blew a fuse. Why are you being so weird to your friends?
What? I haven't been weird.
Yeah, well, you karate chopped Manny's stew out of Brent's hands. You hurt their feelings.
Sam, you wouldn't understand. Gwen geda shawu kending yodu.
I do understand, but you're forgetting that 二爸变成朋友，永远是朋友.
Huh?
A bully turned friend will be friend to the end. Listen, Brent came here to help you. We all did. And you're acting like we're just in your way. Remember, we work together.
That weather girl is ruining our plan.
I just need more time, sir.
We don't have more time. If we don't get the Flint and Smidisphere in the next 48 hours, we'll miss our deadline to release Food Bar 8.0. I'll be a laughingstock.
Sir, let me handle this.
Never send a monkey to do Chester work. I'll take care of it.